Good morning! Today I am doing a review of the Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. As you can see, I have maybe a couple more uses left, but I have been using this since December 2nd on my scars, and I have some thoughts. Hi, if we're meeting for the first time, I'm Melanoma Mom. My friends and family call me Shawn. I'm on a journey to live life differently after having melanoma skin cancer. Scars, we have a lot of them, don't we? Those of us who have had melanoma skin cancer are used to getting cut on and having new scars. So I tried this one on my big melanoma surgery scar that I had a year ago. And then I've also tried this on a tiny scar on my stomach that is only 6 months old now. Here is the scar on my arm when before I started putting this Restore Balm on, right here. And then here is what the scar looks like now. Now, unfortunately, you can see the tones are a little bit different. This one's a little cooler of a picture and this one's warmer because I changed the light bulbs in my bathroom and it changed the colors. Here is the picture of the scar on my stomach, day one. Here's my scar, what it looks like today. Let me tell you a little bit more about this. It is 0.5 ounces. I bought this from the Dermy Doc box, which is a subscription box. And I had seen another YouTuber who has had melanoma skin cancer say that she loved this and she felt like it reduced the color of her scars. So that's why I bought this. It is pricey, but you'll notice it lasted December 2nd through February 7th, which is when I'm filming this video. And I still have a small bit left. I probably have another week of balm left because you don't need much. What are the ingredients? It has castor seed oil, glycerin, and hydrogenated castor oil, and that is it. It has a shelf life of 12 months. It is cruelty and vegan, BPA free, and it is made and distributed in the USA. If you see my daughter walking around behind me, yes, she is home sick today. You may see her walking around behind me. All right, my thoughts on this. It is, let me show you what it looks like when it comes out. Just in a little squeezy tube like this. Okay, like that. Oh, I don't want to waste this. Okay, it's like can you see? A gelatinous blob. It looks like Vaseline to me. And it feels like Vaseline, to be honest. It feels like Vaseline. All right, I'm rubbing it on my stomach scar. Even though I've already put some on this morning. Okay, I don't want to waste it. Now, as you'll see, let's talk about my arm scar first. I've got two scars on there that I put on. The little tiny scar is a biopsy scar on the top, and then my big scar. So when I started using this, 10 months had gone by since the big scar on my arm. I think that it doesn't work as well, in my opinion, on older scars because I honestly can't see too much of a difference. If it lightened up the redness, it was minuscule to me. Same with the tiny little biopsy scar on the top. Now that one is 6 months older, I think. 5 or 6 months older than the big scar, but it did keloid. And I think it lightened it around the edges, but there's still redness in the center, as you can see from the pictures. Where I saw the biggest difference was the newer scar on my stomach. Here's the pictures again. Here's day one without having used the balm yet, and here is today, the very last day. So December 2nd versus February 7th. And I see a big difference. Look how much it has lightened it up. So I think this stuff works better the closer you can get it to actually having the scar. So the scar on my stomach when I started using this was only 3 months old. So that is why I think this worked better. I think it works better for newer scars. In my opinion, in my experience, again, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm just a regular person with scars. Let me know, have you used this before? And what are your thoughts? I'll see you in the next video. Bye.